How to fix eBay account suspended. To fix an eBay account suspension, first of all, go ahead and launch the application. Try to log into your account. Then head to this inbox option from the bottom navigation bar to read the official notice sent by the eBay itself. Now identify the suspension type, which is hold, restriction, or suspension. And then to resolve the common reinstatement triggers, first of all, you simply have to clear the outstanding balances. If your account was paused due to the unpaid seller fees or buyer reimbursement balances, go to the payment settings and update your on-file checking account or debit card information and manually authorize one-time payment to clear the debt. Then verify your identity. Also, appeal the policy violations. To put an appeal, you simply have to tap on this My eBay option and scroll down, head to the help option. From here, you can get a hold with a customer service and also talk with the operator to solve the ban regarding your account. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.